Meaning of enlarged.
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 Enlarged. Enlarged means something has increased in size, typically beyond its normal or original dimensions. The result of enlarged can vary depending on the context. For example, an enlarged heart may result in decreased function and increased risk of heart failure. Enlarged pores can lead to more visible blemishes on the skin. Enlarged images may lose clarity and sharpness. In general, enlargement of any body part or object may cause changes in its appearance, function, or performance, which may be either beneficial or detrimental depending on the situation.